In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your business hours on Fresha. You'll learn how to adjust your opening times seamlessly within the Fresha dashboard, ensuring that your clients always see your most up-to-date availability. Now, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to your Fresha dashboard. This is your main hub for managing various aspects of your business, from appointments to client information and everything in between. Once you're there, take a look at the options on the left side of your screen. You'll see a gear icon which represents the settings. Go ahead and give that a click. This will take you to an area where all the behind-the-scenes magic happens for your business setup and preferences. Next, you'll find the business setup section right there in your settings. Clicking on it will guide you to where you can manage different aspects of your business configurations. Among the options on the left side, look for locations. Clicking on this will show you a list of all the locations you have currently set up in Fresha. This can be particularly helpful if you operate from multiple sites. Now, each location in your list has an action button right next to it. Click on this, and amongst the drop-down options, you'll see View. Select that, and you'll be taken to a detailed view of that specific location's settings. Once you're in the location settings, you'll want to scroll down until you find the section labeled Opening Hours. This section is crucial because it displays the times during which clients can book services at a particular location. Notice the Edit button on the right? Give it a click so you can start customizing your hours. Here, you have the flexibility to adjust your opening hours to reflect any changes in your schedule. Whether you're extending your availability or taking a well-deserved break, ensure these hours align with the times you want to be accessible for appointments. After you've made the necessary adjustments to your hours, now's the golden moment. You need to save these new settings. To do this, simply click the Save button located at the top. This step is essential because without saving, your changes won't take effect. And there you have it. Adjusting your opening hours on Fresha is as easy as that. By keeping your hours updated, you're now not only streamlining your business operations, but also enhancing your clients' booking experience. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to keep your operations aligned with what works best for you and your clients. Until next time, happy scheduling.